Hello, my name is Ninyawan Febrianti. I'm from STKIP Agama Hindu Amlapura. Today, I want to explain about semantic and pragmatic and how to different between semantic and pragmatic. What this is semantic and what this is pragmatic. Semantic and pragmatic are two branches of linguistics that are related to the meaning of language. There is a major difference between the two. Now, the difference between semantic and pragmatic can help clear the misunderstanding and miscommunication in language. Semantic is involved with the meaning of words without considering the context, whereas pragmatic analyzes the meaning in relation to the relevant context. The key difference between semantic and pragmatic is the fact that semantic is context independent, whereas a semantic is context dependent. What is semantic? Semantic is a discipline in linguistics that analyzes the meaning of words in the language. It only deals with text and analyzes the meaning of words and how they are used to form meaningful context. The study of meaning semantic does not take context into consideration. It is only concerned with grammar and vocabulary and conceptual meaning of a word. The meaning of a sentence remains constant whenever a certain expression is uttered. It can be said that semantic only analyzes what that particular expression means in a very general sense. Semantic has a narrow scope since it only deals with meaning. What is pragmatic? Pragmatic, in contrast, is a broad field which analyzes the context in addition to grammar, vocabulary, and conceptual meaning. Instead of examining what the expression means, this field studies what the speaker means is using a certain word or expression. They consider different factors surrounding the utterances, such as the subject, intended meaning, conceptual factor, and listener inferences in order to interpret the utterance. In simple words, pragmatic deals with what is implied in a utterance. Example: I am so hungry, I could eat a horse. If we examine this utterance semantically, we only be concerned with the conceptual meaning, grammar, vocabulary, and the literal meaning. However, if we are to examine this utterance in pragmatic, we also examine the context and what the speaker is trying to imply from this utterance. Is the speaker really going to eat a horse, or is he trying to imply that he is extremely hungry? Is the speaker make a general comment, or is the asking for food by this comment? Then we don't understand that the meaning of this sentence cannot be taken in a literal sense. What is the difference between semantic and pragmatic? The difference between semantic and pragmatic can be seen from 1. Definition, 2. Context, 3. Factor, 4. Focus, and 5. Scope. Definition. Semantic is a branch of linguistics concerned with the meaning of morpheme, word, phrase, and sentences and their relation. Pragmatic is a branch of linguistics concerned with the use of language in the different contexts and the way in which people produce and comprehend meaning through language. Context. Semantic does not consider the context, and pragmatic consider the context. Factor. Semantic is concerned with conceptual meaning, vocabulary, and grammar. Pragmatic is also concerned with speaker intended meaning, conceptual factor, and listener inferences in order to interpret the utterance. Focus. Semantic focus on the meaning of language, and pragmatic focus on the language use. Scope. Semantic is a narrow compared to pragmatic, and pragmatic is a broader field when compared to semantic. That's a brief explanation of semantic and pragmatic. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you.